Welcome to another alteration and addition project by the Sydney office at DP Design Studio, where this once dated 30-year-old home is now a vision of style and sophistication. The biggest achievement was opening up the living and dining, then converting the tired old kitchen into a contemporary gourmet haven, complete with modern appliances. The experienced Sydney team at DP Design Studio devised a comprehensive plan to transform this property, taking care of everything from the design and project management to installing the striking new fit-out. Now a modern, spacious family residence, the owners are thrilled with the outcome and have fallen in love with their new home full of natural light and vibrant character. In only 6 short weeks, the Sydney office at DP Design Studio delivered this outstanding result with brand new lighting, flooring and paint inside and out, invigorating and reinstating the home's beauty. Stylish timber floors now sweep you through both levels, and the staircase has been updated for a luxurious look and feel. The laundry, ensuite and powder room was transformed in the 6-week period, all with new contemporary lighting, fixtures and fittings. DP Design Studio is a client-focused boutique architect specialising in new builds, home renovations and interiors for residential and commercial projects. At DP Design Studio, the focus is always on the client, with the goal of delivering a hassle-free quality outcome every time. DP Design Studio values outstanding work ethic, professionalism, proactive communication, project management and delivering rapid results, just like with this exceptional 6-week project. With thoughtful planning, DP Design Studio prides itself in delivering cost-effective outcomes with a 5-star service every time. To find out how DP Design Studio can transform your home or commercial space, call today on 1300 373 374 or email admin@dpdesignstudio.com.au.